Just like before we went from a prism to a cylinder, we'll go from a pyramid to a cone. And you'll notice how our formula has not changed. The only difference is that our base is always a circle, and so that'll give us our capital B there within our formula. So we're going to try to find the volume within a teepee. And so we're given the height, which is 12 feet, and we're given a diameter of 14 feet. And so we need to be careful not to use 14 within our volume formula, because we're going to need to use the radius. So 1/3 pi r squared times h. And so this is just a substitution now. The radius is 7, which we will square, and then we'll multiply it by 12. And our answer there is about 616 feet cubed. And now for our last problem, we're going to find the volume of an oblique cone. So what that means is that the vertex here of the cone is not located directly above the center of the circle on the base. So if the vertex were located above the center, it looks like it'd be approximately there, then it would be a right cone. So in this case we have an oblique. And the reason they're asking this question is because they just want you to make sure that we're going to use the exact same formula. 1/3 pi r squared h. And so we need to use the height of the pyramid. In this case it's 25 feet. Notice again that they're giving us diameter. They're trying to have us make a mistake there, so we need to take half of that to get the radius. And once we evaluate that, that should give us our final answer. It says rounded to the nearest cubic foot, so when I evaluate it I get 5,890 feet cubed. Remember to keep in mind that our volume for prisms and cylinders are essentially identical, and the same is true with pyramids and cones. The only difference is how do you find the area of the base in each case.